Hey everyone, I'm Will, and before I get on to it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and head over to the Patreon page to help support the channel, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Today we are going to make a Dutch oven shepherd's pie with mutton, more of a traditional shepherd's pie. So first off, what we're going to need to do, we're going to go inside and do some prepping.
Right here, I cooked up some of the potatoes. Now these are potatoes from the garden. Now in this water is potato starch, and I'm going to use that adding to here. So what you're going to need in the potatoes, a good helping of some bacon fat, pepper to taste, and some salt. I like Himalayan salt. And then with the starchy water, you want to add a little bit of this, maybe about a quarter cup to a half cup. With prepping now the filling, you need a whole yellow onion, some frozen corn, put the amount that you want, and then right here we got some mutton, like local raised sheep. You add that right in, about a pound. If anybody wants to get any organic, all natural mutton, it's a public place called Wolfneck Farms. If you're local around here, this right here is $9 a pound. Mix it right up. Now let's combine everything and put it in the Dutch oven. To prevent it from burning to the bottom of it, I have a small little grate, and then because that's not big enough to go around the whole width of it, then I have this set right inside. I'm going to push this right down flat and top it off with potatoes. And you want to just flatten. With the rest of that potato water, you want to actually pour some more on top, let it sink down to the base. Then you want to also take cold water and pour it, not in the food. So this is going to basically steam it. So you want to pour just about maybe half an inch of water. So let's go outside and cook this. Light it up. I just checked the temperature. Here's what it looks like. Steamy. Yep, it's done. Taking it inside. Now let's cut into it. Scoop this out like this. Oh, look at that. This looks fantastic. That tastes really good. I recommend doing this. Don't forget to go down in the description below and click on the link to my channel. Remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.